Hi guys, in this video how to remove the blank space in your text when your data is more, so it is difficult to remove the space between the single words or a sentence. So you have removed like this, so it is difficult to remove the space like this. So you can carefully remove the space and okay, and it take more time. So you have select the data, control A, and then we can press again control H. Here we can find what, so we can uh, take some space like two time I have take space, and then replace all, and then OK, and then we can close this page. Here we can see that the space of the words are removed automatically. Here we can see that. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.